Hello fellow traders, and welcome to another video of bullish candlestick signals and chart patterns from bullstock.info. Our video today looks at some of the stocks featured on Bullstock Info that look promising for swing trade on Tuesday, September 8th. For the complete list of chart patterns, just visit the website www.bullstock.info. Alright, and we will begin our video with a look at the bullish engulfing chart pattern. The bullish engulfing with ADCT. ADCT is our symbol. The bullish engulfing pattern forming on Friday. And for those who have been watching our videos, you'll remember the bigger the candlestick signal is for the engulfing, the more powerful that reversal should be, and the bigger that engulfing pattern is and the more previous candles it engulfs, that also helps strengthen that signal. And you'll notice our bullish engulfing pattern, our bullish engulfing candle, engulfs not only the previous day's trade but the 2 days previously. So a very powerful bullish engulfing here with stochastics in the oversold and crossing over. And we also have a nice separation distance, if you will, between the 50-day moving average, which ADCT closed above the 50. That's your blue line on Friday's trade. Nice quick profit at the 20-day moving average, and then a nice profit target at the most recent high, close to $10 there at the top of your screen. KWK, also a bullish engulfing. Looking back, it got its run in the early part of July off the 200-day moving average, your red line, with a nice move up, some sideways trading, and then break down to below the 50-day moving average. We did have the bullish engulfing on Friday. Again, this pattern also engulfing 2 previous days trading days. Stochastics oversold, curling up. One thing to note here is the very close proximity to the 50-day moving average, your blue line. So you want to keep an eye on that. You want to make sure it gets through the 50. Okay, because if it can't get through the 50 this time, it might just fall out of bed. So keep that in mind on that one. SWN, also another powerful bullish engulfing, again encompassing previous day's trades, in fact encompassing 3 previous days worth of trades. And we have the 200-day moving average a little bit below, kind of providing some support, if you will. But also look at the hammer toward the left middle of your screen. See kind of where the bottom of that hammer touched, providing some minor support for the recent trading activity as well. So closed right at the 8 exponential, your dashed line. Want to see it get above and stay above that. And we have our 20 and our 50 days respectively right above us. HK is another of our bullish engulfings. Stochastics oversold, curling up like we like them. And while we're hitting them really quickly, we'll just visually show you ADTN. ADTN, another bullish engulfing, and another one of those bullish engulfing that encompasses numerous days trades. This one 3 days, as a matter of fact, closing above the 8 exponential. You have your 20 and your 50 right close. If we can keep an eye on that, get through the 20 and 50, then we have a nice profit target up there near the just shy of the $25 mark. All right, a look at a couple of bullish Harami candles. JTX, Jackson Hewitt, with stochastics in the oversold and crossing over, curling up after a big drop from near $7 down to the $4.50 range. We get the bullish Harami with stochastics in the oversold. And we look at CHK. CHK, after the early part of July, having a nice run up to, what, 24.50 or so. Some channeling and kind of falling down until the 50-day moving average can come along and provide them some support. We get the Harami signal, so bullish Harami pattern for CHK. All right, take a look at the 3 inside up chart pattern. The 3 inside up, which for those that don't know, the 3 inside up is nothing more than confirmation of a previous day's bullish harami. The 3 inside up, we have that confirmation of the previous day's harami with SD, Sand Ridge Energy. Stochastics in the oversold, just getting ready to cross over. Also have the 3 inside up pattern for Great Atlantic and Pacific Tea Company. That's GAP. Also have the same 3 inside up pattern for HST, Host Hotels and Resorts. And you notice the nice thing about HST's 3 inside up is that the chart pattern is formed on support of the 50-day moving average. So again, not only is the candlestick buy signal important, the 3 inside up pattern gives you confirmation of that candlestick pattern, but also this one is forming on the rising 50-day moving average. So a nice looking sign there for HST. Alright, and finally on our video today, we'll take a look at the piercing line signal. Again, stochastics oversold, crossing over, and we have the piercing line signal for Netflix, and GPRO, GenProbe, GPRO, also a piercing line signal. Stochastics not quite yet crossing over on GPRO, but they are almost there, so keep an eye on that one. And that's going to do it for our video, folks, for bullish candlestick chart patterns. We appreciate you watching. This video is compliments of bullstock.info. We have not all, but we have a lot more free chart patterns featured on our website, so stop by and visit www.bullstock.info. You can also follow us and catch the chart patterns at twitter.com/bullstock.